By default, every user will see two device groups with trial Android and iOS devices that are ready to run tests against. The simplest way to get started is to create an empty device group. You can start by clicking on the yellow Create New Group box. Give your group a name and select either Android or iOS group, depending on your testing needs, and hit the Create button. For this tutorial, we will use Android as an example. We have an empty Android device group. Now you can select the wanted devices, drag and drop them to the device group that you just created. Alternatively, you can first select the target devices that you want to test against. Then hit on the yellow Create New Group box. Now we have the Selected Devices option available. Select it and give your device group a name. There we go. Now we have a new device group with pre-selected devices in your device group list. It's easy to manage empty Android, iOS, and selected device groups. Open one of these device groups. To add or remove other devices from the group, click on Show All button on your right side. In this page, you see all similar devices, including the ones that are already in the group. Select Wanted Devices and click on Add to this group, and then click Save the Changes button. You can remove devices by selecting an existing device, clicking on Remove this group, and Save the Changes button. You can create a dynamic device group, including different filters. Select a filter and click on Apply the filters. We choose an Android version in this case. Now you see the devices matching your filters, which you can use to create a new group. Devices in the group may change if devices matching selected filters are added or removed from the cloud. When you create a device group using the Selected Devices and Filters option, you are able to add devices that don't match the selected filters. The added devices will always stay in this group, and they won't be removed even when we make an update to the OS version of the devices. Let's get to how to manage selected filters and selected filters and devices groups. Choose one of the groups. If you want to add or remove a device, you have to select or deselect one of the filters accordingly and click Apply Filters button below. Now you see which devices will be removed or added to your group after you will save the changes.